Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Artificial intelligence, just like everything else, has its advantages and disadvantages. We all know its benefits and how it is making life simpler for people. However, many people are making use of AI to cause harm and loss to people. On various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, etc., you may have seen and heard how the face or voice of people is changed with the help of technology. Through technology, people can make any prominent person to talk something different from what was actually spoken. The edited video looks very real. Fraudsters have been making fake videos of prominent people to scam innocent investors in stock markets. The following are some news headlines clarifying and warning people about such scams. Narayan Murthy cautions the public not to fall prey to deep fake videos. Narayan Murthy warns about deep fake video of him endorsing trading apps. Similarly, you can see this particular screenshot where it looks like Nanda Nilekani is recommending a particular trading app and it is sounding like his voice, but it is an actual deep fake video where it is edited from the original video. Similarly, there is one very famous video going on in Facebook where Nirmala Sitaraman itself says that there is a particular investment which will give huge returns in a short period of time. So even this is clearly fake, only the voice sounds similar but it is not the finance minister's voice. We have received some comments for our YouTube videos over the last few months asking whether they can invest in the app endorsed by Narayan Murthy, Nirmala Sitaraman, Mukesh Ambani, Nandan Nilekani, etc. Because all these people's voices and videos have been altered, edited and made to look real, and from them people are made to invest. Fraudsters have been putting ads in Facebook and various social media with fake videos. Many people who have watched these ads have assumed and believed that such celebrities have prepared some AI tool to help people invest in the stock markets. This is a new way of scamming people. Usually the fraudsters add people to a WhatsApp group and initially start teaching about stock markets and recommend the purchase of some small or penny shares by stating that their AI tool has generated this recommendation. Usually these fraudsters are doing share cornering in these small stocks. After a few days, when the stocks appreciate, people get faith in these fraudsters. When people have developed faith in the fraudsters, they ask them to open a new Demat account or ask them to transfer money to a fake Demat app. In this fake Demat app, initially the small profits are allowed to be withdrawn by the investor. This enhances the confidence of the investors. Later, the fraudsters encourage investors to transfer large amounts to the fake Demat app. Once they are able to collect a large amount of money from innocent investors, the fraudsters stop replying to the WhatsApp messages and the money invested is lost forever. The communication between the fraudsters and the investors is usually only through WhatsApp and never through phone calls. We have heard many investors lose large amounts such as 30, 40, 50 lakhs through such fake apps and similar scams. What are the precautions we can take? Number 1. Do not open a Demat account in unknown company. 2. Do not transfer money to unknown people. 3. Do not look for shortcuts where somebody will tell you what to buy and sell. Learn fundamental and technical analysis and take your own decisions. 4. Realize that prominent people will never talk about some unknown apps or give any sort of investment advice. Victims of such frauds are not only uninformed and non-tech savvy people. Even tech savvy people and very alert people lose money since the fraudsters create greed in the minds of the people and many people find it difficult to resist the temptation to make quick money. So be very careful and make sure to share this information with all your contacts. You may be saving someone's hard-earned money from being lost to such fraudsters. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, have you seen such ads where some prominent personality is recommending some unknown trading app and it looks very real but it is actually a fake video? If you have come across such things, type yes, otherwise type no. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.